At the start of the trail, there's a statue depicting Jesus as a beggar with a little plate to collect change. This statue is called "When I Was Hungry and Thirsty." The Peace Park is the last place I visit before I go home. Scattered throughout the park are various religious statues built by the neighboring Catholic institutes nearby. The Circle of Peace displays a group of children playing with one another. This circle represents the continuum of humanity, as the children's clasped hands are a symbol of cooperation and interaction. Near the fountain of water is St. Francis of Assisi. He was well known for his many miracles involving animals and his compassion for healing critically ill and injured people. Our last statue to visit is Mother Teresa, who founded the Order of the Missionaries of Charity, a Roman Catholic congregation of women dedicated to the poor in India. Now that we've toured the park, it's time to go home.
Route 7 south to Copyright 7th Street.